Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you forgot your PIN or your password on your Android phone or your Samsung phone. So on your Samsung phone, this is really easy to do. Just swipe on down from the top right and then go to power. Then we can power it off right here. Tap it again. Now the key is you need a cable plugged into your computer or your laptop. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to access the recovery menu. So here's a cable, USB-C, from my computer is plugged into the USB port. Plug this in to the bottom. And you're going to see the phone charge, that's fine. Hold down the power button and the volume up button. So let's hold this down for about 5 to 10 seconds and then let go if nothing happens. And then just repeat the process. So nothing's happening, usually the phone will restart. So I'm going to go ahead and let go. Press them down again. Now we're going to be under this recovery screen very shortly. And we can go ahead and unplug this. To use the recovery screen, just go up and down with the power buttons, the volume keys. And then we can go to wipe data factory reset and hit the power button. Now yes, this is going to wipe all the information off your phone. If you do have information backed up to the cloud on your Samsung phone, under the settings or on your Google account, you shouldn't lose everything. So you'll probably lose most of your videos, but some of your photos might still be on there, your text messages, etc. So if it's the last resort, you can go ahead and just try that out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.